Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Yusuf. Yusuf was known for his strong faith in Allah SWT. One day, his father gave him a beautiful, healthy goat to take care of. Yusuf loved the goat and took great care of it, feeding it fresh grass and clean water every day. One morning, Yusuf woke up to find that the goat had gone missing. He searched everywhere, but couldn't find it. His friends laughed and said, "Yusuf, you trusted Allah so much. But now your goat is gone. What will you do?" Yusuf smiled and replied, "I trust Allah's plan. If He has taken my goat, He will replace it with something better." His friends shook their heads and walked away, thinking Yusuf was foolish. A few days later, while Yusuf was walking in the forest, he found a lost camel. It was a strong and valuable camel, much more precious than his goat. Yusuf took the camel home, and his father was overjoyed. They sold the camel and used the money to buy several goats, which helped their family greatly. Yusuf's friends were amazed and asked, "How did you know something better would come?" Yusuf replied, "I didn't know, but I trusted Allah. He always has a plan for us, even when we don't understand it." Moral of the story: always trust Allah's plan, even when things seem difficult. He knows what is best for us and will replace our losses with something better if we have patience and faith.